make cosmically cute characters with the piece-by-piece mini trio punch set. This set of 3 mini punches comes with various punch shapes. A star, individual flower petal, perfect for building your own flowers or to use to create characters, a heart, crescent moon, and large and small circles that you can use to assemble a variety of adorable space characters, critters, and animals, flowers, or whatever else comes to mind. And when you purchase this set, you'll receive a free digital download of a PDF with decorative ideas. To use the punch, simply flip over and unlock. Then punch down on the end of this punch to create your cutouts. Repeat with other colors and patterns of paper as desired. Tips to create your characters. Layer cutouts from the 3 mini punches to create cosmically cute space characters, animals, and flowers as decorations for your layouts. Mix and match with other tools such as the 12-inch trimmer, custom cutting system, circle cutter, and dot pens, to name a few. You will also want to make sure to utilize your multi-purpose tool to put together your characters. There are plenty of adhesive options to put together the characters. A few we recommend would be the tape runner with repositionable adhesive, regular adhesive, or mini tape runner adhesive, or the precision point adhesive pen for putting together tiny little pieces. We can't wait to see what you create with a piece-by-piece mini trio punch set.